Read.
Mariposa.
Mariposa. What is mariposa?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Mariposa.
Yeah, what is this?
Maracas.
Maracas. Okay, what is maracas?
Rattles.
Rattle. Wow. What's this? How about this?
Balloon.
Balloon. Balloons. How about this?
Also fly.
Oso polar. Wow. What is it?
It's teeth.
What does it say?
No.
What does it say? What does oso polar say?
No.
No. Raw. You can do that. Okay, what is this?
Pollitos.
Pollitos. Okay, you're right. What is this? Anson, what's this? Correct. Little chickens. Yeah. Hey, what's
Blue, green, red.
blue, green, red? Yeah, they are wearing blue, green, red. What is this?
Avion.
Avion. What is avion?
Wow.
Wow, airplane.
Airplane.
Yeah,
Avion.
yeah. What is this?
Circle.
Circle. But can you read?
C-I-I-C-U-I-O.
Yeah, but can you read the word?
A
Read.
C C
Yes.
I
Okay. Read.
C I C I U
Circulo. Okay, Anson. I say. How about this?
C A
No, we don't need to spell it. What's this word?
I O.
Yeah, what is this word?
Kite.
Car.
Beep. Kite.
Beep, beep, carro. Okay, Anson. How about this? What's this?
Window.
Window. Can you read? Yes. Can you read?
Ventana.
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 Okay. How about this?
Boca.
Boca. Where's boca? Yes. Okay. It's your mouth. What's this?
Lapis.
Lapis.
Pencil.
Pencil. Good job. What is this?
Woof woof.
Woof woof. Can you read?
Woof woof.
Yes. Can you read it? Read.
Woof woof.
Read the word.
Woof woof.
Read the word.
Woof woof. Woof
Okay. How about this? Anson, how about this? Can you read this? Woof woof. Yeah, that's a woof woof right there. Yep. Anson, what's this?
Pájaro.
Pájaro. What's a pájaro? The bird. Yeah.
With a bait.
Yes. Okay, what's this?
Mesa.
Mesa. What is a mesa?
Table.
Table. Good job.
A table.
Table. How about this?
Spoon.
Spoon. Yes. Can you read?
Galaxy.
Can you read? Oh, you want kiss Coco? Okay. Kiss doggy. Cuchara? How about this? What is this, Anson?
Eyes.
Eyes. Can you read?
Ojos.
Ojos. Good job. How about this?
Oreja.
Oreja. What is it? Ears. Yes. Good job.
Flower.
Flower. Smell it. What's this?
Cama.
Cama. Bed, yes. What's this?
Elefante.
Elefante. Ah, yeah, that's how. There you go. Oh, what about this?
Pasos Libra.
Yeah, arms up. Brazos arriba. That's right. Good job. Uh-oh.